The Tech 10s are here. Throw it in the vlog. Where they at? Where they at? It's a big box. Open it up. Oh, blur the address. What is this? Handlebars? Oh, yeah. Whose name's on it? I didn't even say. I think it's both our names. My name is still on yours. Like, my name on MX Locker is your name. So it's both of us. All right. Mail call.
It's like Christmas.
It's like Christmas. This is Christmas to us from us. Ooh, they're both here. Ooh. Oh my gosh. What did you get?
I got some freshies.
Kick that box out of it. Oh my goodness.
Would you look at that?
Those are clean.
Tech 10 super vented.
For more dirt?
For more dirt. Awesome.
Put them on. Put them on. Yeah. Don't even see these. I'm pretty sure both of these are the same. No, that's Honda.
Okay.
And this is Cowie. Wow. They look good.
I never felt more
Locked
safe.
in.
Yeah. That's gonna be easy.
This is what Chase Sexton wears and wins with.
Or crash.
Well, yeah. Depending on what day it is.
Yeah.
His latches seem phenomenal.
Yeah, they're so much better. Oh my goodness.
Are you locked in?
Dude. Holy crap, it feels like ski boots. Dude,
They look really good.
I feel like I'm in a
Now you just need a fresh kit to go with it.
Yeah. You buy stuff, and then you have to buy more stuff for that stuff. It's the ultimate hobby. I gotta put the other one on.
Okay, I'm not. Give us the old cowboy dance or something. All right, hold your handlebars like you're about to whole shot.
You hold that wide. Oh, I didn't take the plastic off.
Yeah, plastic off. Look at these things. Renthal. Thought we missed out on it. Sold out within 20 minutes. Nope. Found them on MX Locker 2 weeks later. Purchased immediately. Now they're out of stock again.
Let's go throw these other ones.
All right, let's go put them on. Thinking. It's a little bit wider though.
I can fit mine. You have to buy mounts.
Yeah, no, I still got a bum mounts for mine. I'm waiting to build my whole bike.
Well, on the stock bars.
On the stock bars are coming off.
Well,
The Renthal Gold Johnnies are going on.
if I get this new thing.
This is going on it.
This new thing.
Oh yeah, we
Get it-
didn't. I
This
haven't
new
even.
this new thing.
We haven't even done the drop a comment below. Drop a comment below. What do you think it is? Give us a make and model. It might happen. All right, let's put them on. Let me get a T-handle. Michael, what do you think about these Johnnies? The limited edition Johnnies.
I'm more worried about what the freak you got on his.
Look at them, bro. Tech 10s. Look, they even match your bike. Throw a leg. Put a leg up there.
I gotta put these bars. All right, take them off.
All right, take them out in the steed.
This is gonna be very.
You have to be brave. Yeah, you have to get on without tipping the bike over because the handlebars aren't even attached. Dude, double bar setup. What's this about? Oh, you going freestyle now? That's an interesting clutch placement there.
Yeah. Dude, there's no clutch motos.
Oh, look at these. Let's get a shot of these first of all. Shit. Dude, you're all matching? Oh, just ignore the silver streak on the wheel. Haven't redone the wheels yet.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Since I clean them. I didn't want to do a full detail before we got thrash them tomorrow. That looks good. This is
And then they
backwards,
feel
but that's
basically-
good.
Yeah, I know. I'll fix it. I may need to.
We need to
I'll
work.
put this. I'll take this on. I'll put this on for pictures or whatever, and maybe a first rip. But I don't know if I should run my red one again because limited edition sure does look good.
Well, you can get these.
You can.
The bar pad covers, yeah.
I need to buy.
You can go ahead and order a spare. Just order a spare, have one to thrash and one for pictures. They're like $30.
One to crash and one to.
One to bash. I like it, dude. It's gonna look good, bro. It's gonna match your forks. Like it nails the forks. So you get them coated, then it'll be completely different.
I need to get more gold parts.
Question.
Yep.
About
15 minutes now.
What we can do is we can do the gold wrap on your radiator hoses too, like Jay's bike.
Yeah.
Blew up the tank, get you some fresh graphics on this thing. It'll be clean. All right, Lip. Quick rundown of tomorrow.
All right, so Stan has built this, which, well, we haven't posted any videos on the Stan track. Okay,
No.
we'll do that. We'll get some footage tomorrow. But Stan's woods track, pretty fun track. He's added some new jumps and some new stuff, so we're gonna go hit that tomorrow. And Jay's first time out at Big Daddy Farms, so looking forward to that. He's gonna ride with us.
It's gonna be freaking lit, dude.
Yeah.
A little after work motos, gonna crank out a couple 30s in the new Tech 10s.
In the new Tech 10s. Dude, these things are...
Dude, those things are freaking baller. Those are so freaking
You may
baller.
order some tonight if you try these on.
This is true. I may. All right. Stay tuned for that. We probably need to put that together before we go home tonight.
Yeah.
We go to bed. Dude, it looks good from back here. Anyway, these we're going to go on after I get fresh graphics that are going to have gold bass flake in it. And let's see. What else am I going to do? I don't know. I'm still looking for a gold sprocket. And I'm going to get rose gold hubs on my new wheel set. So we'll see about that. Gold it out. You know, make it drippy. But, dude, these things, so freaking sick, dude. Thought we missed them. They sold out in 20 minutes. And then we found them on MX Locker. Shout out to MX Locker. If you're not on MX Locker, bro, you're missing out. You can get Tech 10s for a steal. You can get limited edition handlebars. I bought this Pro Carbon skid plate. MX Locker. Clutch cover, MX Locker. Water pump, MX Locker. I'm pretty sure I bought that exhaust on MX Locker. And I brought that ignition cover on MX Locker. So, you know, making factory bikes. I've been on MX Locker.
I've been on MX Locker for 2 days now, and I've bought Tech 10s.
Yeah, Maddox
handlebars,
has spent about $800 on MX Locker. He's been on there for 2 days. I tried forever to convince him. He finally gets on there. Spends like $800. So,
yeah.
You know, MX Locker, if you're watching, I mean, a discount code would go a long way. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We're faithful customers. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
All right, then. See you guys in the AM. Right, track day with Jay and the boys. It's going to be so freaking good. Got my long socks on. GoPro, we're going to get some first person footage today. So it's been a first time in a long time. Bought 2 new SD cards. It's okay. We don't care about copyright anyway. Yeah, like we make any money racing dirt bikes and making YouTube videos. LOL. All right, let's get unloaded. So Stan did a little bit of track maintenance. Let's see. Starting to make some improvements here. I think he's shaping up to make another rhythm line right here. Let's see what he did over here. I know there's a new double down the hill, and he opened up a new line there. Oh yeah, he shaped this up good. Check it out. Skid steer master in Stan Digby. Ooh, yes. So much better. So now you can jump on. Before where you kind of had to roll this because it was so scooped out. Now you can jump onto there. This turn looks good. Wow, this is gonna be great. I'm so pumped about this. So pumped. Jay's rolling up. Oh, he's got the Yoshi, I forgot. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing in the back of this rig. Oh my goodness, is this what it's like to be factory? Yo, let's get it. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's factory right there, dude. Oh my. Dude. Chase Sexton hooked you up with a contract? Let's go. Oh my gosh, bro. That's Maddox with the factory titanium pipe, but we gotta work on it a little bit.
I wanted to pull right there.
All right. Okay. Calvin, what are we doing? Here comes Maddox. Jay, the leader. Give me 1 second, Calvin. Let me Not yet. Oh, what did you say?
He's in a crybaby.
Who? Why? Why is he a crybaby? Why is he a crybaby? Ride interview. Good day. I felt all right on the bike. Happy to have Jay out riding with us. He's absolutely throwing down right now. All these Hondas are getting me scared, you know. Yeah. Hit a wheel. Do it. Woo! Anyways, them Hondas are getting you scared? Yeah, they're just all over me, you know, but the footage will tell. The footage will tell.
This is great, though.
Yeah, that section right over there.
Little on-off section.
Then I'm gonna hit it on the 125.
Do it. You got that on there.
Yeah, I'm wearing a helmet and everything.
I'm a big fan of the new layout, except for the last double. It's too peaky. It's just throwing you to the freaking moon. Other than that, I'm a fan. Jay Passmatic.
Man, here they come. I gotta get in the dangerous shot. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. What's that?
Dude, the track got beat up.
It needs some rain real bad. Let's get it. Maddox, how was that? Not again.
Go, nah.
Oh, it's going away? Ooh.
It's still alive.
A little bit of skin tear
A little bit of
ASMR.
skin. It's okay.
Calvin, what do you think about that? Oh, man. Epic day.
Do I have a dust ring?
Dust rain? Oh, yeah, for sure.
nice.
Your goatee, it's all dusted in.
Thank you, Jay.
I want to do that.
Let's get it. You want to do what? Massive?
Yeah, like so much so that it feels like my legs aren't even touching the bike because it's just boot touching the bike. So I gotta train myself to squeeze my knees in.
Hey, better grip.
No doubt. You need to get you some foot pegs now.
See, we had those, what were they?
The O'Neill
Yeah,
boots?
the O'Neill boots, and those were too light. You feel like you're bouncing off the peg.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you know exactly. But those, I think the Tech 3s,
The Tech 3s,
they're thin enough.
they're
but
clap,
they're
though.
weighted, so you feel like you're stuck to the bike. And enough room
I
to-
want to not show.
I like it. All right, thank you. Look at this kid. Yeah, like this your first time. Just grab onto the swing arm and pull the bike off. No! The outside of the swing arm underneath. Yeah.